How to fix iPhone voicemail transcription not working in iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Settings application on your device. Scroll down and search for the Siri and Search option and tap on that. Now tap on Listen for option and make sure you have not selected Hey Siri. In Settings, tap on General now and then tap on VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN services. In General again, tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. You can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.